Hi all, in this video I'll show you how to make a fly agaric night lamp decorated with Picasso's Women of Algeria. We take an empty paper towel of foil royal and glue it to a piece of laminate, from which I previously cut out a figure similar to a circle. Cut out a circle from cardboard and glue it to the roll from both sides. Glue a cardboard strip along the perimeter of the circle. Next, cut out arches from cardboard and glue them inside the circle, creating a frame for the mushroom cap. On top of the arches we also glue cardboard strips and use pedal-shaped cardboard pieces to cover the empty spaces, completing the structure shape. We move on to the base. We need to strengthen it, so I cut out more cardboard strips and glued them at the base of the mushroom, as you can see. Empty spaces are also sealed with cardboard. Cut out the stair steps and glue them on top of each other like you're building a staircase. We also cut out holes for the windows and paint the inside of the structure in black. To make a roof chimney, glue 4 pieces of cardboard together and stick a strip along the top edge. Two of the 3 windows will have a canopy, so you need to cut out the figures shown in the video and glue its base to the mushrooms and glue the rest at the second figure. The windows are cut out of pad and glued. The next stage is working with paper clay. I will leave a link to a video on how to make it by yourself. Evenly apply it to our mushroom, simulate moss at the base, poking into the paper clay with a pen rod. I will also leave a link to a video where I show it how to do it. We still need to make the mushroom gills. We turn our structure upside down, fill the space with paper clay and using a toothpick cut out the gills. To dry them out, I cut a hole in the bottom of the bag and put a mushroom down into it with a pipe. From a piece of paper clay we will make the door, and again we will use toothpick to create a texture. We proceed to the third window. I want to make it in such a way that it can be removable, if we want to put something inside. Therefore, we will insert a strip of cardboard around the perimeter of the circle on which we will glue pad. Since our product is handmade, the mushroom surface is not perfectly smooth, so we draw a contour around the perimeter of the window with a pen and apply paper clay along this line. Finally, we got to the fly guard cap. We roll the ball in our hands and glue it on the mushroom, gently smoothing it in a circle. Let's move on to decorating. I printed out the drawings I needed on ordinary office paper from an inkjet printer. I overlapped the image with tape to the table and pulled the edge of the first tape strip. The paper exfoliates perfectly. And now we knight light surface PVA glue using a brush and glue pieces of our drawings on top. I also go brush drawing surface with PVA glue after applied. I decided to paint the mushroom stem, base and window frames with acrylic paints. As you can see, I painted them in several stages. Using a sponge, you can emphasize the texture of the mass and mushroom plates by applying paint of a different color to them. I painted the door and window frames black, and then, with a flat brush, I painted perpendicularly around the entire perimeter with gold and silver paint. That's all, the product is ready. But I had bright yellow fluorescent paint and decided to spray the mushrooms with it to make it glow neon white. Feel free to leave your like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. Dunya Nikifyevna was with you. Bye.